Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before I get started today, I just want to let you know that there are spots still available on my Oregon Coast and Palouse workshops. Dates are early June for Palouse and mid-September for the Oregon Coast. And just want to remind you of that. So let's get started. Today I want to go through the myth of sensor cleaning. Okay, I see a lot online about people they're afraid to clean their sensor. They're afraid they're going to damage it, or who knows what. Even some professional photographers are afraid to clean their sensor. But so I just want to go through and kind of show you how easy it really is to clean your sensor. The first thing you need to understand is that you're not actually cleaning your sensor. There are like glass filters on top of your sensor, and that is what you're actually cleaning. So you're not physically touching the sensor itself. So let's just get that understood right away. It is very simple to clean your sensor. Don't be afraid to do it. You only need a couple things. So you need like some sort of air blower, rocket air blower, some sort of cleaning swab. These are the ones I use because these are what the local shop carries. And then the cleaning solution. If you buy like a sensor cleaning kit, it'll come with kind of everything you need. May even come with a small sort of blower thing, and then I think mine came with like a little brush thing, so you can clean the back of your lenses, something like that. I don't use them, so whatever. So to get started, it's very simple. You take your blower and you just blow off your sensor, which you should do that every time you change your lens anyways, so you should be comfortable using one of these. So something like that, simple. And then with one of these, is it upside down? No. You just break it open. So this is a vacuum sealed package, and this is what's inside it. So just a sensor sized cotton swab, basically. Then what you do, you take your cleaning solution, and then you just pour it on, kind of run it down your swab. And then you just take your camera and your sensor and you just swipe it one way and then reverse it and swipe it back the other way. That's it. You're done. Done cleaning your sensor. And then it obviously helps if you have some sort of like little bright flashlight, kind of shine it in there to see if there's any streaks from the solution or anything that you need to maybe use just a dry one of these and kind of wipe it, kind of clean off some of if there's any streaks from the solution. But I mean, that's it. I have now cleaned my sensor. And then before you put your lens back on, quick little air blow. And then same thing to your lens. And these also fit the back of the lens, the glass on the lens. So you can clean those off as well. So very, very easy to do. So I know a lot of people are afraid to do it, but it's something you need to get in the habit of doing. The other option is to send it off, pay somebody to clean it for you. I don't even know what that costs. I don't do it. I just clean myself. Like I said, if you do happen to scratch it, if there's like a piece of sand or something that's kind of stuck on there, it's not that big of a deal. You can just send it off to like Kalari Vision, Life Pixel, or any place that fixes cameras. They'll put a new piece of glass on top of your sensor. Done. It costs a few $100 to do that, so it is kind of expensive. But don't be afraid that you're going to damage your sensor. You're not going to. So it's a very easy process. It's a very cheap process. These little cleaning kits are, sometimes you get them free when you order some gear, like B&H Photo kind of always has some free stuff with certain things you order. But if not, they're, $20-$30 and you get like 15 swabs in the solution. And so it's well worth your time, because anytime you pull your lens off and change lenses, especially if you're in harsh environments, like if you're in Death Valley sand dunes, or if you're on the coast, where it's kind of salty air, get your photos then when you're at the hotel or somewhere where you're staying that night. Go ahead and, take your lens off, clean your sensor. If you've been changing your lenses, don't be afraid that you're going to damage your sensor. So just go ahead and clean your sensor. It's well worth it. Gets rid of all those sensor spots. Then you don't have to deal with that in post, you know, getting in there with Lightroom or Photoshop, clean, you know, zip, you know, going around your entire image, cleaning off all your sensor dust. And just a quick video. I don't really have time to do a longer video. I have a 5-day art fair, the Flower Garden Festival, starting on Wednesday. So I just wanted to get something quick out there. Hopefully that show will go very well for me. I'm hoping. I've never done the show before, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. And thanks for watching.